Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS Grid. So CSS Grid is a grid-like system on how you can organize your elements in CSS. It's similar in CSS Flexbox and how you can have columns inside of rows and so forth. So to use this, we need to have a property display grid. And how it works is that in the HTML, we will have a container where we're going to have to set the property display grid, and then these are items inside of it. So this is the parent element, and this is the children. The parent is known as the container, and the children are known as items. So to set up the container, you just do display grid. Sorry, display grid, and that'll be all for this one. Thank you so much.